Hello there. My name is Wendolyn Davis. I am so passionate about helping you overcome to become and developing that healthy mind, healthy heart, and healthy relationships that helps us to lead a life of fulfillment where we can experience the joy in the moments of each day and be living our best lives. Because why not? It's an option. And it's so good and it's so possible. One of the things we need to do to have a healthy mind, healthy heart, and healthy relationships is take care of ourselves. So let's do a detour from the normal videos and let's get back to the kitchen. And what are you feeding yourself? And do you know that meal prep is less brain drama, and less brain drama equals less stress? And it gives you a map for the week if you choose to meal prep that long. And a map, yeah, it's awesome. I know exactly what I'm going to eat this week. Here's some of my new favorites that I wanted to share and show you. It doesn't have to take a long time. It can be easy and it can be enjoyable. Doesn't have to be hard. And just to let you know, I'm eating totally different than I ever have before. I'm not going to tell you all the stuff in this video, but I'm doing what's called Pro-Metabolic, which is 50% carbs, 25% fat, and 25% protein. And I am tracking to make it work. And why am I doing this? Because I'm working on optimizing my hormones, and it makes sense to me and it speaks truth to my body right now. You're not going to believe this, but those of you that have watched my videos for a while, I'm no longer eating vegetables like I was before. Now I'm eating more fruit. I'm no longer eating snap peas every day for breakfast. My body doesn't even want them anymore. So I'm going to show you 2 easy protein recipes, and then you supplement with whatever works for you. To start with, I had 2 lamb steaks, and I browned them already. I sauteed the onions, and I'm going to throw the garlic in. It said to smash the garlic. I'm like, let's do it. That was a lot easier than dicing the garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the garlic in with the onions. I'm just kind of doing my own thing. The recipe is for the crock pot, but I'm going to use my crock pot for the chicken. So I'm just going to use the Dutch oven, the small one, which I will then put in the oven and bake at 325 for like 3 hours. So then I'm going to put the steaks on top of the onions and the garlic. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of bone broth, which I made with my whole chicken a while back. I pulled it from the freezer, and it calls for a cup of orange juice. I didn't have any orange juice because Costco doesn't have the orange juice that I like, so I got tangerine. Close enough, right? Then we're going to put a cup of tangerine juice in there, and then a little bit of honey. That's it. I'm going to put that in the oven, 325 degrees for about 3 to 4 hours. I'll test it along the way. And then I found these potatoes. These are purple. I got these at Sprouts. And then here's another kind of sweet potato. This one's actually white on the inside. They each taste a little bit different. So I will bake those later. And then I can have them for the next few days with the lamb steaks. Or you can make rice with it. And I have a shredded carrot salad that has 4 carrots that I shredded. Well, my machine shredded it. And then I added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a little bit of salt. And I eat a half a cup of that every day because it's really good for detoxing with hormones. Next is a whole chicken. And I have the onions cut for that, and then the garlic. And I'm going to saute these in the crock pot, and then I will just place the chicken on top. And also a fun little trick I learned, like with the chicken, I'm going to take some of the garlic cloves and I'm going to stick it underneath the skin because it has a lot of flavor. I just do that in different places on the chicken. And then I've added onions in the cavity here. And then I'm going to salt it very well. And then I'm going to pour in half a cup of orange juice and a cup of broth. And then I'm going to hit the crock pot button, which is the pressure cooker, by the way. I absolutely love the pressure cooker because it does multiple things. So I'm going to hit the crock pot part, and I'm just going to cook it on low, probably 4 hours. The recipe says 5 to 6, but I find that this actually cooks them quicker. So voila. I've got enough protein for 4 days, and I really want tacos this week. So probably Wednesday, I'll get the ground beef out and make some taco meat. Oh, And here's what I do for breakfast that's fast and easy. I do 2 cups of 2% milk and 2 raw eggs and a scoop of collagen peptides and a scoop of collagen peptides, that's chocolate, and a little bit of honey. And it's really, really good. And it keeps me full for a couple hours. And I have a banana. Here's some fun ideas and some variety that you might want to try. I'll post the recipes. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you're ready for that coach to cheer you on and show you what's possible and help you develop that healthy mind, healthy heart, and healthy relationships, sign up for that free consult. It will change your life to have a coach to show you strategies and help you work through your obstacles and help you become. That's my new favorite word, become, because it's so fulfilling and it feels so good to not stay stuck and to get off autopilot, to get out of overwhelm, to get out of frustration and irritation, to get our stress lower and all that stuff. It's the best thing ever to be able to get out of rough places with love instead of beating ourselves up. Happy Thanksgiving. And may you be filled with gratitude for all the blessings in your life. I'm thankful for all my supporters and friends that are cheering me on and helping me in my journey of becoming. Life is so good, and I give thanks to God for my journey and all that He shows me, for the ideas, for the promptings, for helping me find solutions to my problems. I wouldn't be who I am today without God. All right, my friends, happy Thanksgiving again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.